안녕, 잘 지냈어? 여러분, 도둑 좋아요 댓글 써주세요. So, let's learn today another consonant that is P-up. P-up or B. B. So, when the P-up consonant comes at the first position, at the starting of the word, it's pronounced as P. P. Example, Busan, Busan, Poda, Poda. When it comes at the Pachim position, it pronounces P. P. Example, takapta, takapta, chagapta, chagapta. When it comes at the middle of the position, it simply pronounces bo, bo. Example, chonwa bono, chonwa bono. And when it comes at the last position, it same pronounces po. Example, pa, pa. Krom, 안녕.